But let me tell you something. It is going to be messy, it is going to be noisy, and it is going to have casualties. It is going to have casualties, I can promise you.
The first casualty.
Yeah, and we can see it is getting smelly already. From the way Parliament is being handled, it is getting smelly.
Mwango can see it also.
We don't feel any broad-based arrangement in Parliament.
No.
There is nothing.
And we don't.
Broad-based is in the executive only. Parliament has no broad-based mechanism. We are not there.
Now to talk.
So, with the permission of my fellow colleagues, I have told you, going forward, it's not going to be business as usual.
Correct.
And we have withdrawn our members from the House Business Committee.
Yes.
I am sure they have just said, as many of that opinion, we will whip them if they put them there. They will have their own House Business Committee, their own.
Yes.
Which will also challenge in court, in public, in private, everywhere.